Hello dear students, in this tutorial I want to introduce few interesting C programs. It is a continuation of part 1 and it is part 2. In part 1 I demonstrate few interesting C programs. Remaining programs are discussed here. Now I like to start the tutorial. This program, draw a Mickey Mouse. Animation is included here. Mouse can blink its eyes and move its eyes too. Now I go output. Okay, this is a Mickey Mouse. If we press enter, then it blinks its eyes. We again press enter, it moves its eyes. Okay, next I go the next program. It is also another Mickey Mouse program. It draw another Mickey Mouse. Animation is also included here. It can't raises its hands, move its hands and eyes too. Okay, now I wish to go the output. Okay, now I demonstrate the next interesting program. The title is runner. A runner will appear and it run left to right direction several times with different speed. Now observe the output. It asks how many number of rounds. Suppose it is 10. Next, it asks enter 1 for fast speed or 2 for normal speed. We press 1, the runner will run fast. Stop. Okay. Next, we again run the program and wish to run the runner in slow speed. Okay, being it is slow, so number of rounds I put 5 rather 10, and normal speed, for normal speed put 2. You can see The speed of earlier is slow. Okay. Next, I go another program, solar system. This program demonstrates the solar system. In our solar system, like the planet moves around the sun, it also this output also demonstrates like our solar system. Okay, now I run it. Like our solar system, all planets moves around the sun. Okay, now I go the next program. This program display one of the wonder of the world, that is Taj Mahal. Okay, amazing. Look the background. Stars are appears and they to life. They blink. Amazing. I think you all enjoy the program. The next program modified this program, that is few colors are implemented there. Okay, next I go its modified part. It will be cleared if I run it. Just like the earlier program, but color is introduced in different position. And one more thing, if you try to run this program, then honestly speaking, the programs are lengthy. Many lines of codes are there, so it takes time. To avoid this problem, all source codes are appeared in our websites, so all are suggested to go www.gvtcs.com. There a tag will appear, tutorial. You click it. Next you go the see amazing and interesting programs. Download the source code. Okay. Now I like to terminate this tutorial.